hard to escape dogs that can run as fast as 40 miles an hour. But there is one place where they won't follow. This hunt is over. Up ahead, for the pack, success. The pups may have missed the action, but the adults always make sure that the youngest eat first. Hunting isn't the only lesson the pups need to learn. A hyena on the prowl must be dealt with swiftly. First lesson, the best form of defense is attack. The second, work together. And the third, do so while avoiding the hyena's bone-crushing jaws.